Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ojaswini. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be showing you to make ice cream sticks photo frame. It is difficult to buy gifts for your loved ones during this lockdown period. So let me tell you, this is a very nice gifting option as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have these photos. These are of different sizes and dimensions. Newspaper, colorful ice cream sticks. These are easily available in the market. Scissors, paper cutter, pen, any transparent sheet. Here I am using these bags, glue and cardboard. Take a joint sheet of paper like this, fold and cut it as shown in the video. Make 4 to 5 such sheets and stick them one above the other to get a thick base. Then place the photos on it in a way you like and make an outline to it using a pen. Then remove the photos and cut the marked portion using paper cutter. Now place this on the cardboard and mark the same as shown in the video. Now stick the transparent sheets from the outer side of the marked portion. Make sure that you keep one side open to insert the photo. Now again take the paper and start sticking ice cream sticks to it. I am sticking them in a color sequence. You can even stick them randomly and also you can stick them horizontally. I have not mentioned the number of sticks used in this frame as it will change depending upon the size, dimension and number of photos you choose. As you can see, I have sticked them using various patterns on various sides. Once this is done, cut the excess paper. Then put this on the cardboard and cut it in the same shape as well. Now make 2 holes on the cardboard and pass a thick thread through it to make the hanging. Try to keep it as short as possible so that it doesn't come above the frame. Also, I wanted to mention that please do follow the Instagram page of Spice and Scissors. Its link is given in the description box below. I have used tape to secure the edges of this transparent sheet even more firmly. But this is totally optional. Now take the excess paper which we have cut earlier and stick it on the top side of the frame as shown in the video. This will allow you to open the frame to change the photos. If you don't want that, then directly stick this frame on the cardboard. Make sure that none of the photos is getting covered before you stick it. Secure it firmly at the back side of the frame. And this is how our ice cream sticks photo frame looks like. You can even decorate it or write something on it using white color. It is very easy to make, does not take lot of material and looks very attractive at the same time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below your reviews and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.